Welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Cleo AI application. So let's get started right away. Once you have installed the Cleo AI application on your device, go ahead and open it up. Then from the homepage, tap on Get Started. You will now be prompted to use either your Google account or your email address to start signing up. Let's use the email address feature. After typing in your email, tap on the Sign Up with Email option. You will now be asked to choose your country of residence. If you are outside of the US and UK, you have to choose I live elsewhere. After choosing your country, tap on the Next button. You will now be asked to choose your plans for your money goals. After choosing your goals, tap on the Next button. Then choose your priority focus, and then tap on Next once again. Now you can tap on Let's Get Started to set up your profile. After entering your name, tap on the Next button, and then enter your date of birth. You may be asked to choose where you heard about this application, so choose the relevant response, and now you will be asked to check your inbox and enter the verification code. Just check the inbox of the email address that you have used during the sign-up process, and you will find your code right away. After entering the code, you will see the terms and conditions. Tap on the I agree button, and you will have the option to enable news and notifications. Tap on Continue after choosing your desired option, and you may also turn on notifications. Finally, you will have the option to link your bank account. Once you have connected your account, you can start using your Cleo AI account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Cleo AI application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.